Salagadoola, metchigaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
I paid up as you know.
After you. Property is it?
Huh?
Whose property?
Public?
Are you sure?
What?
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's public property.
Dude, drop off that rock.
You think so?
Use the ledge, the big ledge.
Oh, yeah.
No, it won't be bad. It won't be bad. I would just go first gear, and then once you get on the edge, just pop it a little bit to keep yourself level, and then lay off as soon as you land, and then just dive in. Right here.
Oh, dude. That's a pretty long drop.
Dude, you want to hill climb this?
No.
You could.
It's so soft.
Just come up in a second. For the gram?
Huh?
For the tube?
To the tube, dude. If I had a paddle tire.
Just look at it. It's not that bad. If you pop up it in second, just stay in second. Straight up here.
No way.
Second gear.
My tire's not making it up. I'm sinking, guaranteed. It's the same dirt. Look, I can barely get up that. I mean, I'll go down it.
And then go back up it.
That's how it works, huh?
Dude, I seriously think you could do it. Just stay on, like, you see, like, those bigger rocks on the very bottom?
I know I can't because this dirt is so soft.
No, I'm saying if you keep your speed, just pop into it in second.
Bury, dude.
No.
Look how hard the vert is at the bottom.
I know. You just got to pop into it.
Come.
Just roll into it and then roll the throttle. Don't pin it.
No way, I'm not getting up it.
Not even going to try?
Not even gonna try, because I'm gonna fucking wheelie my nice bike over.
You're not going to wheelie. If anything, you'll just sink.
My bike.
If anything, you'll just sink.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna. I just know because it's the same dirt, and I had to push my bike up that piece of shit. Another day, another dollar.
I think you got to try it, dude.
SteezyWoody already did the 2.
Come on, SteezyWoody.
Alright, there's the bike.
Come on, dude. You're SteezyWoody.
You want my boots?
This is what the people pay for, man.
I know, they paid for that fucking 12-foot drop I just did.
And they also pay for this hill climb. Look at this shot right here. I'll be right here rooting you on from up here.
I'm not doing it because I'm not gonna get up it.
Please? Just try it. All right, at least go down and see what it feels like. See what it looks like from down there.
There's no possible way.
Dude, I guarantee you.
Then come down here and do it.
If I had my 450, I promise you I'd try.
Alright, let's go. When you bring your 450 up here and I see you do it, then I'll do it.
Dude, just trust me, you will make it up it. Second gear, roll into it. I guarantee you.
The dirt is too soft.
You're gonna make me do it on fucking pity?
I would love to see you try.
I'm doing it on pity. Dude, the dirt's too soft.
Shut the fuck up. It's crack.
There's no way, dude. The dirt's too soft. You should have told me that.
They used to call me Ken Rockman. Don't ride through tie wire. It's a bad deal.
I saw it too,
Really?
and I thought I missed it. And
Break one off, really?
I can't break it.
Just bend it, keep bending it. I bet it breaks. Ooh. Now it's supposed to go around the other.
There we go. Pity's gonna need a bath. Whew!
The water. That shit. Get that shit out of here.
Alright. Listen to me, kids. When things put you down in life, you can't just give up, okay? You gotta persevere, okay? Monday motivation.
Except it's Tuesday. Tuesday motivation.
Tuesday motivation, okay? Hey, stay steezy. Dude, SteezyWoody. How'd that feel?
I was high.
Dude, and it was smooth too. You think you could do it again?
Yeah.